Welcome to my channel. Set up and install NETGEAR router. Using an Ethernet cable, connect your modem to the yellow internet port on the back of your NETGEAR router. Connect your computer to one of the Ethernet ports on your router. Press the power button on the router. The LEDs on the router light. Open a web browser of your choice. Enter routerlogin.net in the address bar. Log in to the router. The default username is admin. The default password is password. Select the Yes Radio button and click Next. Enter and confirm a new admin password. Select and answer 2 security questions. Click Next. The congratulations page displays. Click Next. The firmware update assistant page displays. If a firmware update is not available, click OK. Your router is set up. If a firmware update is available, click Yes to update your firmware. You are prompted to log in. Enter admin and the new password you created earlier. The basic page displays. Your router is set up. Thanks for watching.